store procedure activity. So in my source system, I have a store procedure. So create a procedure name. Here I just pass the parameters, and here I have the main business logic code. That is, here I have just insert statement. Okay, means I did not do any manual code here itself. So I want to, here the purpose is, so in my project, I want to capture the all the pipelines information, right? To the auditing purpose, I want to capture the all the pipelines information, right? How many pipelines are going to success, how many pipelines are going to failure, right? I want to capture the all those information with respect to the project to do the auditing purpose. So for this reason, I just create store procedure. I just add the store procedure into the store procedure activity. In the store procedure activity settings part, I just select the store procedure name and adding the all the respect to the parameters, store procedure parameters. So with the first store procedure, we can achieve the business logic based upon client requirement. Okay. Thank you.